Hello everyone, myself Sachin. In this video I am going to discuss about isomorphism and homeomorphism graph. Initially I am presenting necessary conditions for isomorphism graph. Here we have two graphs and these two graphs have same number of vertices. Then this is called condition number 1. Condition number 2. Number of edges in both the graphs should be same. Condition number 3 must have same number of vertices of degree k in both the graph. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe the channel. Also like, share and comment the video. If we talk about the formal definition of isomorphism graph, then here we have two graphs G and H. We have here a bijective function. Function is f. Function f maps from BG to BH, where B is here set of vertices for graph G, where BH is here set of vertices for graph H, and mapping is such that f maps from xy to fx fy. I mean, we have here bidirectional mapping. Bidirectional mapping means here f maps edges to edges and f maps non-edges to non-edges. What are these mapping? We are discussing with the help of the example. Say here, two graphs are given. First graph is G and second graph is H. And we have find out the mapping FU1 equals to B1. I mean, if we apply function f on U1, then we are getting here B1. And similarly, if we are applying function f on U2, we are getting here B3. So in this way, we have mapped various vertices of one graph into another graph. Now we have to find out our necessary conditions, whether these two graphs have same number of vertices. Answer is in yes. Both the graph have same number of vertices. Further, these two graphs have same number of edges. Further, answer is in yes. These two graphs have same number of edges. Condition number 3. All the graphs should have same degree of number k. Say this particular node, this particular vertex has degree 2. This particular vertex has degree 2. I mean, all the vertices in this graph have degree 2. And similarly here, all the vertices have degree 2. So therefore, at degree level, both are the equal. So these two graphs are passes the condition of necessary condition of passed here. Now we have to check. We have to check sufficient conditions, whether these two graphs are equal or not. For sufficient condition, we have to map edges to edges and non-edges to non-edges. Here, say we are talking about FU1 equals to B1. Here, this is FU1 and this is here B1. We have an edge from U1 to U2 and therefore we have to have edge from B1 to B3. We have here an edge from B1 to B3. Similarly here, from U1 to U5, there is an edge. And we have edge here, B1 to B4. B1 to B4, edge is there. I mean, from edges to edges, mapping is placed. Now we are talking about non-edges to non-edges. For example, U1 to U4, there is no edge. Now in this case, B1 to our, say this is our U2 and U2 equivalent is B2. B1 to B2, there is no edge. So therefore mapping is no edges to no edges. Mapping edges to edges is here. Mapping non-edges to non-edges is here. Therefore, these two graphs are isomorphic graph. And similarly here, further these two graphs are given. So both these two graphs satisfied our necessary conditions. I mean, same number of vertices are here. Same number of edges are here. At degree level, both the graphs are equal. Now further we have to check our sufficient condition. Condition is here, edges to edges and non-edges to non-edges. Say if we are talking about this mapping, fu1 equals to b5, fu2 equals to b2, fu3 equals to b3. We have mapped here. Now after mapping, we have to check whether these two graphs are isomorphism or not. We have to check u1 to u6, I mean u1 to u6. u1 equivalent is b5 and u6 is equivalent to b1. So there should be an edge from b1 to b5. Yes, b1 to b5 edge is there. Similarly, if we talk about u1 to u3, u1 equivalent is b5 and u3 equivalent is b3. b3 and b5. Further, there is no edge. So further, this is not mapping. No edges to no edges and edges to edges. Mapping is there. So we can say that further these two graphs are called isomorphism graph. Similarly here, one more example is given. Whether these two graphs are isomorphism or not. Answer is in no. These two graphs are not isomorphism. Because when we talk about here u3 and u6, here we talk about b2 and b6. Between u3 and u6, there is, only one vertex. I mean, when we talk about degree 3 vertex, this is your degree 3 vertex, this is your degree 3 vertex. So there is only one intermediate vertex between these two degree 3 vertex. But when we talk about this particular graph, this is here degree 3 vertex, degree 3 vertex. Here there are two number of vertices. Therefore, these two graphs are not isomorphism graph. Now when we talk about the homomorphism graph, further definition is almost same, but here we have only one difference. Difference is here we don't have bijective function. I mean, bijective function may be there or may not be there, not necessary. And remaining concept is same here, same as to isomorphic graph. And further, we have here mapping of edges to edges. This is here directional mapping, but in the previous case it was the bidirectional. If we talk about the directional mapping here, then our sufficient condition is f maps edges to edges and f maps known edges to either vertex or edge or known edges. If we talk about here this example, say graph G is given, this is your graph G and this is your graph H, and we are checking here these two graphs are homomorphism or not. If we talk about mapping from edges to edges, then edges to edges mapping are here. Say as exists as from this point to this point. Similarly, as from this point to this point, as exists. We talk about this edge, further as exist. I mean, mapping from edges to edges is exist. Both G and H are equivalent. If we talk about known edges, I mean here this vertex to this vertex, there is no edge. Further, when we talk about this vertex, then if we are at this vertex, no other vertex at this level, then we are reaching to the same vertex. Known edges is mapping to the vertex. Known edges may map either to vertex or edge or known edges. So here known as is mapping here to same vertex. Same vertex is mapped here. So further we can conclude that these two graphs are here homomorphism graph. Thanking you.